What's going on, guys? In this video, we will talk about Lucid Group Incorporated. Once again, that's Lucid Group Incorporated with the ticker symbol LCID. Guys, in this video, we will talk about why the Lucid stock is soaring today, as well as if there could be a potential partnership between Lucid and Apple. If you like the information and analysis that I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So LCID stock by the time of this recording is currently trading at $18.25. According to analysts, this specific stock is rated buy based on 8 analysts. Now, if we check the stats of this stock has a market cap of 29.16 billion, shares outstanding of 1.65 billion, a public float of 534.11 million. Okay, and the percentage of short floated is 20.80%, which has a short interest of 111.08 million. As you can see, the performance of this specific stock is red across the board. But guys, this is nothing new because like I said before in my past videos, we are in a bearish market situation. So we'll try to double check and see if the LCID stock is a buy. Okay, but according to analysts, this is a buy based on 8 of them. So guys, today the Lucid stock is currently soaring because of a good catalyst, and here you go. It says here, Lucid Motors receives a major order from Saudi Arabia. U.S. electric car manufacturer Lucid Motors has entered into an agreement with the government of Saudi Arabia to purchase up to 100,000 electric vehicles from Lucid over a 10-year period. The agreement with the Ministry of Finance includes a commitment to buy an initial 500,000 electric cars and an option for a further 50,000 vehicles. There you go, guys. So they wanted to buy an initial 50,000 electric cars and an option for further 50,000 vehicles. This concerns Lucid debut model Air as well as upcoming models from the manufacturer. So guys, they wanted the Air for now, and of course in the future they'll be making an order for additional models if there will be models. So definitely, guys, we know so far that Lucid have upcoming models. So far, an electric SUV called Gravity is planned on the manufacturer's Leap platform in addition to the electric sedan. For all of you who doesn't know what a Gravity is, guys, this is the SUV crossover for the Lucid Motors group. So you can see that this besides the sedan, they also have the Gravity model, which is planned to be released anywhere at the end of the year or starting from 2023. In concrete terms, Lucid says it will initially order between 1,000 and 2,000 vehicles per year. Deliveries are to start in the second quarter of 2023 at the latest. From 2025, the annual volume is then to increase to 4,000 to 7,000 vehicles. So as is well known, the large order is not Lucid's first connection to the Saudi Ministry of Finance. Lucid is planning a factory in Saudi Arabia. So we all know that, guys, because one of the major investor of Lucid Motors is the Saudi prince. Okay, so the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund (PIF) has been a major investor in Lucid for years. So even before that, they were not incorporated as Lucid. When they are named AIVA, so the Public Investor Fund of Saudi Arabia has been one of their major investors. Okay, so delivering up to 100,000 Lucid electric vehicles in Saudi Arabia represents another pivotal moment in our acceleration to sustainable transportation worldwide, said Peter Rawlinson, the CEO and CTO of Lucid. We are delighted to be supporting Saudi Arabia in achieving its sustainability goals and net zero ambitions as outlined by Saudi Vision 2030 and the Saudi Green Initiative by bringing our advanced luxury EVs to Saudi Arabia. So guys, if you have been to the Middle East, you would notice that people there, they love luxury, right? So when it comes to luxury, the first thing that come up in your mind is Apple. So even before, people are speculating that there could be a potential partnership between Lucid Motors and Apple, and it has become a speculation. So there's an article before this from March 16, 2021. It says here that Lucid Motor certainly has a knack for remaining the center of speculation in the SPAC universe, with the latest round of rumors revolving around potential tie-up with Apple. Given the similar design philosophy of Lucid Motors and Apple, it is not hard to imagine how the rumors of a partnership between the two began doing rounds. After all both companies claim to market refined products that scream luxury. Moreover, with view them, we both view themselves as disruptors in respective technological sphere. However, Apple's EV gambit under the Project Titan has created a fresh avenue for a collaboration between these two companies. So it says here, to date, the most significant connection between Apple and Lucid Motors is that of Sir Johnny Ives, the former chief designer at Apple who left the company back in 2019. Today, Mr. Ives serves as an operating partner at the SPAC Churchill Capital Corporation, which is slated to merge with Lucid Motors by Q2 of 2021. So this article, guys, is from even before they made the SPAC agreement with CCIV. However, this connection on its own is not enough to deduce a potential partnership. And it says here, there is, however, one aspect where collaboration between Apple and Lucid Motors remains much more likely, which is no other than the Apple CarPlay. If Apple limits its foray into the EV sphere to the software side, the Apple CarPlay stands a much bigger chance of seeing widespread partnerships, including with Lucid Motors. Now, guys, that article I just read is from March 16 of 2021. So that's just like more than a year ago. But as you can see here, people, the speculation continues, and this article was from January 14 of 2022. Why is this important, guys? Like I said a while ago, it is important to know that people from Saudi Arabia, they want luxury as well as performance. Now, there's one more article that came up. It says here, Lucid could potentially be crowned the maker of the Apple car. It says here, could Lucid possibly land the Apple automotive contract? If Lucid does win, LCID would skyrocket to new highs. What would this do for Apple stock? We will find out when Apple announces in the late 2022. If we scroll down a little bit more, will Apple and Lucid team up to create an Apple car? Lucid and Apple has been long rumored to partner in the future. If this is indeed the case, then we could see an enormous increase in Lucid's stock price. A partnership with Lucid Motors and the Silicon Technology Company would almost certainly solidify Lucid as one of the leaders in electric vehicle race. So most likely, guys, so that the EV for the normal people, right, the normal working people would be Tesla, and the ones who wanted luxury, right, is Lucid. As we all know, Lucid wants elegance, they wanted a sleek design, stuff like that. So of course, if they started integrating Apple CarPlay in the Lucid cars, then most likely they would also, Apple would wanted a nice partnership with Lucid Motors. So continuing with the article, it says here, Lucid has prided themselves with having the best technology in the electric vehicle industry. For an in-depth analysis of Lucid Motors technology, check out Lucid Motors' secret weapon. Peter Rawlinson has also been foreshadowing a Lucid Apple partnership. This is not the first time that Peter Rawlinson has tied up his hints with Lucid fans. He winked at the camera when he was on live interview that many Lucid fans suggest it was a hint that Lucid Motors was merging with CCIV. So before, guys, when he during that interview, he winked, so he neither confirmed nor denied. So meaning there could be a possibility. And this time around, it says here that when Lucid and Apple were asked about a potential partnership, both parties declined to comment, meaning they neither confirmed nor denied, but they just declined. So meaning there could be a potential there, right? So everybody is waiting for that. I think there could be a potential possibility. And also, people would have noticed that each time that Lucid Motors will actually make their showrooms, it's right underneath, if you take a look at this picture, it's right beside Apple stores. So I think, guys, I'm not trying to conclude that Apple and Lucid would have a future partnership, but yeah, the evidence speaks for itself, right? So if you guys you can check personally, in Florida, right, in Miami, they have this showroom. It's right beside the Apple store. So guys, as you can see here in this 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like your 50 EMA is serving as the resistance for the stock. We are currently in a demand zone for this stock in this bearish market situation. So that will be our first resistance here before we start moving on the upwards. I already plotted our next resistance at around $18.69, and the next resistance, if we go and move higher, will be around this section, around $19. Okay, and I think this, personally speaking, ladies and gentlemen, this stock has a very, very good high potential as far as it's either you keep it or you keep it in your portfolio, or this is something that you might want to look forward in making a position in the future. I personally hold Lucid in my portfolio. So the entire Lucid story is nothing new to me. I've been holding this even before when they are CCIV. Okay, so if we go to the order flow, we can clearly see here that there's a lot of people selling other than rather than buying. So this could be the short sellers, unloading their shares. So this is nothing new, guys. So the short sellers, they are making money as of this time. So I think it is their time. Time will come that we will all realize our gains with this is not speculative stock in my opinion. This is one of those stocks that will definitely soar in the future, especially that we have rumors that they could potentially partner with Apple in the future. So like I said a while ago, guys, we have a huge support at around this area. Even if we go down to $17, we have a lot of support in that area. Okay, so these resistance, they are just temporary, as I feel like, personally speaking, that we might be able to reach new highs as soon as we get better catalysts other than Saudi Arabia. Of course, if you get an order from Saudi Arabia, guys, that is in my opinion, that is something huge, because other than the partnership that they have currently with Lucid, right? Saudi Arabia, like I said, the people from the Middle East, they want luxury, they want elegance, right? They want style, they want the technology. That's number one. People from Saudi Arabia, especially the people of their government, that they want the luxury and they want the technology, they want all that in their country, and everybody knows that. So once again, guys, for me personally speaking, this specific stock is a buy. This is something that I'd like to put in my portfolio. The green that we have currently is only temporary, right? Because they've been pulling the strings because of the market scare. Like I said, on May 4th, there will be another announcement from the Fed meeting, so everybody's waiting on that. So this is like a temporary catalyst, but hopefully we can keep on seeing green in the future. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like the information and analysis that I provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.